Listen to me very carefully. If you want to achieve ironclad financial stability, you have to look past volatile digital trends and invest directly in everyday human necessity. The fast-moving consumer goods market is completely recession-proof, and within that high-volume space, snack food manufacturing holds some of the highest volume metrics and profit margins on the planet. Every single day, millions of bags of snack chips and frozen potato products are cleared off retail shelves, yet the independent supply chain is completely choked by massive food conglomerates. The operators who control the regional production and automated packaging of high-consumption foods hold an untouchable asset. Today, we are breaking wide open the blueprint for a high-yield, seven-figure food infrastructure facility. This is the complete, fully automatic, turnkey industrial potato crisp and frozen French fries manufacturing production line. We have completely bypassed the heavily marked up Western equipment brokers to give your enterprise direct, factory-level alignment with the primary source of global automated supply. Let us break down the continuous high-speed mechanical engineering and thermal processing nodes driving this food
从源头到成品，每一道工序都在精准复刻卓越标准。
modular matrix engineered to run flawlessly across 24-hour industrial manufacturing cycles. The automated workflow initiates at the raw material washing and detoning units, where high-capacity rotary drum systems strip away dirt before feeding the raw product into automated steam peeling complexes. The peeled product transitions instantly into high-speed centrifugal slicing and strip-cutting machines. These advanced modules utilize razor-thin precision alloy blades to cut the material into uniform wave, flat, or finger fry profiles down to micrometer tolerances, completely minimizing raw waste and ensuring an identical crisp texture across millions of units. Look at the thermal frying and automated seasoning layers of this infrastructure asset. Once sliced, the crisps move through a continuous multi-stage water rinsing and air knife dewatering matrix to remove surface starches before dropping directly into the continuous oil immersion fryer. This heavy-duty system maintains exact, micromanaged oil temperatures using an external heat exchanger, ensuring uniform frying without oil degradation. The fried crisps are continuously extracted via stainless steel mesh belts into dynamic deoiling vibration tables, before routing straight into high-volume rotary seasoning drums or automated cryogenic blast freezing tunnels for French fry processing. The entire facility is governed by a state-of-the-art centralized PLC digital control architecture running synchronized multi-head combination weigher scales and automated vertical form fill seal packaging units. This integrates the entire workflow from raw earth to nitrogen-flushed retail bags, completely slashing human labor costs to absolute pennies and maintaining zero-tolerance quality assurance. Stop burning your development capital on fragile business models with paper-thin margins and endless market saturation. If you want to secure a true industrial legacy, you purchase your equipment directly from the manufacturing source and control the essential food supply network of your territory. We have secured direct factory floor pricing for this complete turnkey snack production line, shielding your deployment capital from middleman markups. Access our complete independent technical audit, download the equipment floor plans, and secure your direct procurement manual right now by clicking the link below. Command your market and build your manufacturing empire today.